Today we will be testing the Master Supertrend Indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel, where we will give you a list of winning indicators, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Master Supertrend Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 87 different strategies, with 25 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. We have also tested a total of 896 indicators, with 375 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 95 of the winning indicators. 35 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now, if you are interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the Master Supertrend Indicator, and so we've tested this one a few times before, and so the regular viewers of the channel will kind of know what's going on with it, but we'll go over it real fast here. So we have the Master Supertrend Indicator, and you can change the input or the applied calculation to it to different things here, different moving averages and so on, and depending on which one you pick, it will change the way the line is printed on screen. And so we've tested most of these. I think on the default it comes on high. We've tested the SMA, EMA, HMA, RMA, and now we are doing the WMA. And so what we are looking for is when price breaks above the line, that's going to be a signal to go long. When price breaks below the line, it's going to be a signal to go short. And as I've said many times before in the other videos, the colors on these are flip-flopped for some reason, and so when we get a break to the downside, the line turns green instead of red, and so, but that is still a signal to go short. When it breaks above, you can see the line turns red instead of green. That's still a signal to go long, and so that's how we're going to test it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. Like I explained in the other videos, the actual break of the line right here, this candle that breaks the line, isn't the one that actually gives the signal. So what we're really looking for is the coloration switch in the line itself, not necessarily the break. And so what we're looking for is when the line turns the different color as it breaks from one direction or another. And you can see that up here in the corner, these numbers right above my mouse will change color depending on what the coloration of the line is itself. And so you can see that not on this candle, it doesn't turn red, but on the close of this candle, it'd be our signal candle. That does get us to our take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so we pick up a short signal right here as we get that break to the downside and the coloration change in the line there right here on this one. And we get a little push to the downside. It isn't huge, but it is enough to get us to our take profit. And so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Before we take a look at the numbers on this, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel after testing hundreds of indicators and strategies. I will put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now. I will also link to it up in the corner and at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Go ahead and check out that strategy. Like I said, it's a proven profitable trading strategy that we have back tested and forward tested. We're constantly making small tweaks to it to make it better and optimize it and make it even more profitable. And so another thing that we've been working on here recently is automating a strategy. We were going to automate the strategy that I just showed you there, but it's a little bit challenging to automate it. Just some of the pieces of it don't work with automation very well. But we have successfully automated a strategy. It is a strategy in partnership with Mike from Upright Trading. He is one of our admins on our Discord server. It is a strategy that he has developed, and I have spent hours optimizing the settings and setting it up and automating that strategy. I'm currently running a forward test on it on a live market, but on a demo account. Here in the next couple of weeks, we'll be picking a couple of patrons from the Discord server to also help in the beta testing of the automated strategy before actually releasing it to everyone. We just want to test it and make sure we work out any kinks or bugs in it first. And so there's a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Just scroll back a little bit there. All right, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we have 19 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 winning trades, and so unfortunately that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. So gave us a decent number of trades within the 1 year's time, better than it has on some of the other settings, but didn't do so very accurately. There are definitely a few of the other settings that were far more accurate in the signals and gave us a far better win rate. And so far those ones are doing the best. And so, all right, that's it for this one. It is this particular input is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.